One of the things that the architects and designers wanted was for this to span 16 to 18 feet. We wouldn't have been able to do that with many other woods. However, the Ipe is able to span this distance and still have the integral strength that's needed.
Deck Diva here from Brazilian Lumber. I have the honor of being here with Jon from Deckmasters. We are touring the Ritz Carlton in Pompano today. Tell us all about the project.
Thank you. So this is the Ritz Carlton residences here in Pompano Beach, Florida. We were responsible for the decking, a little over 4,000 square feet. Obviously the pergola above you, a fire pit, a boardwalk, some stairs, an ADA ramp, and it's all made out of Brazilian hardwood called Ipe.
So what made you select Ipe as a wood for such a luxury, high-end project?
So in this case, we were fortunate. The builders and designers already selected Ipe. However, Ipe is one of the luxury hardwoods of South Florida, and it's used for its high durability, its longevity, scratch resistant, rot resistant, and it looks beautiful.
And also, one of the things to consider, right, is the temperature, because when you are in South Florida, you obviously have a lot of sunlight. Sure. And you're right next to the beach and you're going to be barefoot. So what do you think makes Ipe so special?
So one of the great characteristics about using Ipe, especially in your beach projects, is because it has temperature control. It's not going to get very, very hot like some of the other materials. And you can go two ways with it. The Ipe can be sanded and oiled to give it a rich look to bring out the grains in it, or it can be left in the sun, which will eventually turn a beautiful ashy gray.
I heard there's also a really funny story about this sign, right?
Absolutely. So we were told that this sign weighs 400 pounds. And when the sign installer came, he asked, what type of framing are we gonna put here so that they can mount this sign? I said, it's ready to go as is. And he said, oh my God, well this wood's never gonna hold this sign. So I had myself and 3 of my employees, who combined weight of well over 1,000 pounds, we all climbed up this and hung on it.
Tell me you have a picture of that.
I don't have a picture of it, but it convinced the sign guy that it's gonna hold the 400-pound sign.
Well, yeah, because Ipe is such a strong wood, right? I mean, people think wood and they usually think pressure treated. But
sure.
Ipe is a completely different ball game because it's so dense, right? And it's so strong and it's so resistant that really it's almost like concrete and steel. In fact, it has the same fire rating as concrete and steel.
It does, and that really helped play into the design. One of the things that the architects and designers wanted was for this to span 16 to 18 feet. Mm-hmm. And we wouldn't have been able to do that with many other woods. However, the Ipe is able to span this distance and still have the integral strength that's needed.
Yeah, and I think one of the things with Ipe is once people know the product, they're not going to ask you, why did you use Ipe? It's like asking, why did you buy a Porsche or a Lamborghini? You just know that it's a quality product and a high-end product, right?
Absolutely. It's the pinnacle of luxury here in South Florida.
Yeah.
This is a fire pit that we constructed. Normally there's cushions on the seats and a fire going.
And yeah, look, right now I'm right in the sun. It's about, what time is it? Midday?
11:30.
11:30, yeah, and it's not hot at all. It's super comfortable to sit on. It's super comfortable to touch. You know, you could go barefoot on this. So it's good to have wood because it's not a heat-absorbing material. Tell us the story about the drain, or the gutter, I'm sorry, not the drain, the gutter. Because I think that's a fabulous illustration of how you guys can solve things just like that.
Absolutely. Sometimes it's difficult to make quick decisions on a job. It has to go up and down the ladder of chain of command. So when myself or Jim are on the job site, which is every day, we're able to help make those decisions, especially from projects in the past. So for instance, there's a gutter up top that runs the entire length of this building. And this particular gutter was supposed to end about a foot over this way. And then they were worried about what's going to actually disguise the gutter. It was a little bit unsightly. And one of the things we did is we wrapped all the columns on the building with Ipe. And so we were able to wrap this column and it really blends in a little more naturally now.
So you got rid of an eyesore, right?
I think so.
Yeah, I think it looks fabulous. You did a great job.